Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on April 29th. Market analysis. Recently, due to the signs of easing of the trade war, the market risk aversion has declined, and the spot gold market has remained at a historical high. After the opening of Asia in early trading this trading day, the market fluctuated downwards, reaching a minimum of $3,305.18 per ounce. At present, it has remained within the community and is currently trading at around $3,313 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the progress of trade negotiations between all parties and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is at a high level. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.05 to $33.18, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,318 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.28 to $33.38. If the afternoon market breaks 3,305 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $32.95 to $32.85. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1374 and 1.1395. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1395 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1430 to 1.1480. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1374 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1320 to 1.1280. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the shock stage on the hourly chart and in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart. It can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.3393 to 1.3445. If the market breaks 1.3445 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3490 to 1.3520. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3393 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3320 to 1.3270. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a rising mood in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6407 to 0.6450. If the market breaks 0.6450 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6490 to 0.6530. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6407 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be 0.6340 to 0.6270. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a rising mood. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 141.95 to 142.59. If the market breaks 142.59 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 143.20 to 143.90. If the afternoon market breaks 141.95 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 141.10 to 140.80. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.